Welcome friends, this is the part 5 of Panasonic Robot training how to use the Teach Pendant. Today here we discuss Teach mode of Teach Pendant. You can see in the screen Teach mode. When the mode select switch is in the Teach position, it is possible to create or edit a robot operation program using the Teach Pendant. You can see in the image this is a Teach mode selector switch. Next is how operation procedures are explained. First is teach pendant. Click symbol indicates icon operation. Click icons on the right of the symbol from left to right to display the dialog box shown below the icons to continue data input or setting parameters. If a list of icons screen is displayed instead of dialog box, see the eye definition of each icon and select an icon of the intended operation to display the next dialog box. Second dialog box. When a dialog box appears, follow the instruction on the screen such as complete parameters, enter numbers, etc. and then click OK to update the settings button and there's description. OK closes this dialog box and saves any changes you have made. Cancel closes this dialog box without saving any changes you have made. Close this dialog box. You can see in this image operation order. Click set standard setting program start method. An example of dialog box. You can see in this image the dialog box completely. This is the example of dialog box. Here you can see program start method, program select, program selection method selection number, program. Here you can see OK and cancel. Standard settings item program start method, tool adjustment of TCP collision detect, standard load number, load parameter, soft limit, jog speed limit, smooth level, restart, hold method settings, another language English. This is the contents. Window changes key switches the active cursor, program start method and close. We see the next how to turn on power to the controller. Turn on the power switch of the robot controller main body. Then after completing the initial communication between the controller and the teach pendant in an orderly manner, the teach pendant becomes operable. Note, after turning off the power source of the controller, make sure to allow at least 3 seconds of cooling time before turning the power on again. Now next is how to turn on servo power. First of all, here warning. Prior to turning on the servo power, make sure that no personnel are present within the robot work envelope. Hold a dead man switch lightly, then the servo on switch blinks. Press the servo on switch to turn on the servo power, then the servo on switch lights up solidly. While working on the robot, keep holding a dead man switch down lightly. Releasing or holding the dead man switch hard shuts off the servo power. In that case, hold the dead man switch lightly once again and press the servo on switch to re-energize the servo power. Note, if the servo is turned off and back on again within 1.5 seconds, the message retry to turn on servo is displayed. At that time, the servo won't be turned on.